Hello student, good morning. We are discuss the plant nomenclature. Nomenclature may be defined as the system of the naming object, particularly those of the biological origin. Man has been interested in plants since prehistoric time, and it all nations and tribes names have been given to plants in their own languages. Unfortunately, for the use of common names of the plants, no uniform accord could be attained. Often some plants have several common names in different parts of the country, or the same common names has been applied for several different plants. Thus, the common names are quite indefinite and they are restricted to the people of one language or even one region of the country. For instance, English name Ipomia batata is sweet potato, whereas in Hindi and Punjabi it is known as sakarkand, in Bengali lai alu, and Udiya Kanda, in Telugu, Chilageda, and the Marathi Ratalu. Similarly, more than 150 common names of the viola, 140 of the verbescum, and 50 of the plantago. The system of the naming plant on the scientific basis is known as plant nomenclature. Earliest scientists plant names were polynomial, composed of the several words, which is formed a more or less neat description of the plants. For example, the polynomial as a given by the pulconate of the plant, which is now known as Sida acuta, was Chrysophyllum folies ovalis, Sporni glaberis, paralleli striatis, septus tomentosonides. Binomial nomenclature या binomial system of nomenclature, it is employed by the Carolus Linnaeus in the first edition of his book Species Plantarum. They are published in 1753. According to the binomial system of nomenclature, the name of the plant consists of two Latin or Latinized words. The first generic epithet represent the genus, and the second specific epithet represent the species. For example, the botanical name of mango is Mangifera indica. The first word Mangifera designates the genus of the plant, and the second word indica a particular species of the genus. The scientific name are always printed in italics, and the handwritten and typed name are always underlined. The generic name starts with a capital letter. There is only one, whereas the specific name, which is a small letter. There is only one scientific name for a plant, which is known as legitimate name. International Code of the Botanical Nomenclature. Foundation of the International Code of the Botanical Nomenclature are found in the Linnaeus Philosophia Botanica that are published in 1751, where he proposed certain principle of the nomenclature. Another significant work on the plant nomenclature was Augustin de Candolle, that is a Theories Elementaires de la Botanique in 1813, which gives detailed rules on plant nomenclature. However, the first organized efforts to develop a precise and simple system of the nomenclature to be used by the botanists in all countries were made at the first International Botanical Congress held in 1867 in Paris. At this Congress, the Louis de la Nomenclature Botanique law of botanical nomenclature proposed by the Adolphe de Candolle were adopted with some modification as guide for nomenclature in the vegetable kingdoms. These rules are known as de Candolle rules or Paris Code of 1867. The following information based on the recent edition of the International Code and Botanical Nomenclature, that is the division of code. The code is divided into three parts: first principle, second rules, and third recommendations. The principle form the basis of system of botanical nomenclature. The sixth principle given in this section, that is first, botanical nomenclature is independent of the zoological nomenclature. Second, application of names of taxonomic group taxas is determined by means of nomenclature type. Third, nomenclature of taxonomic group is based upon priority of publications. Fourth, each taxonomic group can bear only one correct name, the earliest that is in accordance with the rule, except in scientific cases. Fifth, scientific name of the taxonomic groups are treated as Latin regardless of their derivations. And sixth, rules of nomenclature are retroactive unless express limited. Second, rules are divided prescription on all the points connected with the naming of plants. The names countries to a rule cannot be maintained. Some important rules are discussed here. First, rank of taxa. According to this code of word taxa, singular taxon, significantly taxonomic group of any rank. The rank of a species is basic, and the relative order of the ranks of taxa are species, genus, family, order, class, division, and vegetable kingdoms. Thus, each species is included in a genus, each genus is in a family, and so on. Second, typification. Typification, the application of names of taxa of the rank of family or below is determined by means of the nomenclatural types. The nomenclatural type is that elements with which the name is permanently associated. The type of a species or intraspecific taxon is an individual specimen. However, for all herbaceous plants, the type consists of more than one individual mounted on the seat. The following terms are used in the nomenclatural type. First, A. holotype, B. isotype, C. lectotype, D. syntype, and E. neotype. Holotype, it is one specimen or other element designated by the author as the nomenclature type. B. isotype, it is a duplicate of holotype. For example, if several herbaceous plants mounted on the separate seeds or several branches of the trees are collected at the same times, one is designated as the type and the other become isotype. Lectotype, it is a specimen or other element selected from the original material to serve as a nomenclatural type when no holotype was designated at the time of publication or as long as it is missing. Syntype, it is any one of the two specimens cited by the author when no holotype was designated or more than one specimen are designated as a type. Neotype, it is a specimen or other element selected to serve as nomenclatural type as long as all of the material on which the description of the new species was based is missing. Third, priority. Each taxon can bear only one correct name, and the correct name is earliest legitimate one except in case of limitations of the priority by conservation. The principle of priority does not apply to names of taxa above the rank of family. Valid publication of names for plants of the group Spermatophyta is treated as beginning at 1 May in 1753, the date of publication of Linnaeus Species Plantarum. Fourth, name of families. The name of families is a plural adjective used as a substantive. It is formed by the adding the suffix ace, ace, to the stem of the legitimate name of an included genus. Example, Rosaceae from Rosa and Cucurbitaceae from Cucurbita. Special exceptions is made on the following 8 families. These names, because of long usage, are treated as validly published. For these families, alternative names are also permitted ending in ace: Palmae, Ericaceae, Gramineae, Poaceae, Cruciferae, Brassicaceae, Leguminosae, Fabaceae, Guttiferae, Lucinaceae, Umbelliferae, Apiaceae, Labiatae, Lamiaceae, और लास्ट है composite Asteraceae. When a Papilionaceae are regarded as a family, distinct from the remainder of the Leguminosae, it has the alternative name of Fabaceae. Fifth, name of genera. The name of genus is a substantive having independent existence in the singular number or a word treated as such. It may be taken from any source whatever and may even be composed in a absolutely arbitrary manner. Example, Mangifera, Rosa, Pisum, Convolvulus, etc. Name of genus may not coincide with a technical term currently used in the morphology unless it was published before 1 January in 1912. Generic name may not consist of 2 words unless these words are joined by the hyphen. Latin terminations should be used for specific epithet as far as possible. Species epithet, which are very long and difficult to pronounce in Latin, made by the combining words from different languages, formed of 2 or more hyphened words, or which have been used in any closely allied genus, should be avoided. Sixth, name of species. Name of species is a binary combination consisting of the name of the genus followed by the specific epithet. Name of species may be taken from any sources and may even be composed arbitrarily. The species epithet may be based at the name of the famous botanist. For example, Carex davisi is based after Davis, and that of Barberis thunbergi after Thunberg. Seventh, name of the intraspecific taxa. An intraspecific taxon below the rank of the species when containing the nomenclature type of next high taxon cannot be indicated by epithets such as typicus, originalis, etc. Eighth, name of plant in cultivation. Plant brought from the wild into cultivation remain original names. Form of Chrysanthemum parthenium brought into the cultivation should not be renamed Matricaria eczema. Ninth, condition of effective and valid publication. According to the code, publication of new names and description are effective. Then the printed matter is distributed to the general public or to at least 10 botanical institutions with the libraries accessible for the botanical generally. The date of effective publication is date on which the printed matter become available. And 10th, retention of the names of taxa which are divided. When genus is divided into two or more genera, the original generic name must be retained for the genus, including the type of species. When the four sections of the genus Aesculus were regarded as the distinct genera. Similarly, when a species is divided into two or more species, the original specific name must be retained for the species containing the type. 11th, changes in name of taxa. Changes in the name of taxa may be required first by transference of the taxon or by the union with another taxon of the same rank or by the chance of its rank. Last, recommendations. Recommendations are often practical application of the rules. Their objective is to bring about greater uniformity and clearness, especially in the for future nomenclature. Appendices. The codes have three appendices. Appendix first deals with the name of hybrids. Hybrids are assigned to taxa of two principal ranks: interspecific hybrid and intergeneric hybrid. Appendix second, nomina familiarum conservanda, includes name of families which are conserved. Appendix third, nomina generica conservanda et regisanda, list of the name of genera which are conserved against the principle of priority because of their long usage. Thanks.